Welcome to the introductory program of NextGen Ultimate Digital Enrichment course. First, I would like to congratulate you for deciding to invest your valuable time in watching this video. I am Aravinda, co-founder of the NextGen organization. Now, let's get into the subject. Public speaking skill, business education, knowledge about the growing direct marketing and digital currency platforms, and a partnership program with us. Can all these subjects, when learned and implemented, help us to achieve a state of economic independence? Earning an additional income of monthly rupees 1 lakh and above is a dream for all of us. Can this be achieved without taking any risks or investments and just by utilizing our spare time? Earning from home, is this even real? Do we actually need an additional income? Do we need to learn about business and entrepreneurship? Well, I'll answer all these questions one by one. For that, let's look into a short presentation. Now, starting with the first question, why do we need to learn about business? Talking about the job scenarios nowadays, a report says that around 95% of the employees working in an organization does not like the work ambience. Late time works, high pressure, and no satisfaction in the work they are doing. Now, you may be a victim for this too. So just because there is no satisfaction in the job, is it necessary for us to learn about the business? Well, that is not the right answer. There is a small concept that each and every single person should learn about. That is nothing but the expense calculator. We may have heard about it, but still, there should be a detailed learning about this subject. There is a small calculation that I would like to share with you. Assume that you earn 20,000 rupees per month. Your monthly income could be more than this or lesser than this. Calculate accordingly. I am going to share a calculation based upon rupees 20,000 as their monthly income. A person earning 20,000 rupees as their monthly income will be paid for 12 months in a year, and he will be able to work with his full energy for a period of 35 years in his lifetime. Imagine a person is starting to earn from the age of 25. He may be able to continue his work for the next 35 years. So this may be an average calculation period in which a person will be responsible for his own life and for his family and will be a source of income for the family. Now, calculating based on this, a person in his lifetime earning 20,000 rupees per month would have earned a total amount of 84 lakhs in his entire lifetime. Now, this may seem a huge amount, but wait till you see the expenses. I was thinking what should be the calculation that we should show first, and there was no option in my mind other than education to select first, because during this entire period of 35 years, starting from the age of 25 to the age of 60, a person's maximum earnings is being expensed towards the field of education that may be for their own children. Starting from the education standard of kindergarten until graduating from a department, it is the responsibility of a parent to expense for their children's education, and it may cost around 1 crore approximately. I hope each and everyone will agree on this, because sadly, nowadays education is being the number one business. In future time, there is a chance of this value to increase. So I have given an approximate calculation of the total expenses that may happen during the entire earning period. First, as I said, education and the residence that we will use to live. It may be an own house or it may be even a rented house. So an approximate calculation of 50 lakhs has been added here. And during this time, the medical expenses for the entire family would cost around approximately 50 lakhs. And the personal accessories that has to be purchased may cost around 30 lakhs. And the maintenance expense would cost around 20 lakhs, and the daily expense may cost around 50 lakhs. And there may be a situation where we may need to help others, so it may cost around 10 lakhs. And of course, entertainment has been a part of our life. Television, cinema, and even cell phones can be considered entertainment, and it may cost around 30 lakhs. Now, all the values that I've given are an approximate calculation that may happen during the entire earning period of a person. And I know you may not accept with a small calculation, because we all know this is only a minimum calculation. So a total approximate minimum calculation of expenses would be around 3 crores. Shocking, isn't it? If a person is earning around 20,000 for his entire lifetime, that the total income would be only 84 lakhs, but a minimum expense would even be 3 crores. So this is the reason why people are getting into loans. If a person needs to overcome this struggle, he has to find a secondary source of income. You may be earning 20,000, 50,000, 80,000 rupees per month, but day to day our income is not rising, but day to day our expense is rising. This is a point that we should really consider. And so Now we have understood we all need a secondary source of income that can only be a business opportunity. Why? Because we cannot afford another job when we are employed in one. So talking about business, what is a business? We all are involved in business. You may contradict that, no, I am in a job, I am employed for a company. But remember, your company's management is running that business. You have been employed in a business of your boss. So there are only two opportunities in this world. Either you could own a business and say that you are a businessman, or you could be employed by a businessman and say that you are in a job. So we could simply say, we all are involved in business. So why do we need to work for fulfilling some other person's dream when we can work to fulfill our own dream? Now, there are two sources of income. Either we could be employed and earn through a job, or we could be a part of a business opportunity and earn our source of income. Now, it is important for us to learn about both job and business. When learning about the description about a job, it is an individual working platform where only we will be able to work for our own income. And of course, it is a limited income opportunity where the income we are supposed to earn is being decided by the boss or by the management. And it comes under active income earning platform. Active income means the moment we stop running, the income stops flowing. Each and every single day, we get paid for the activeness that we show in the job. So if we are present in the job, we get paid. Now talking about business, it is not an individual work. Business is always considered a teamwork. And business gives you an opportunity to earn unlimited income. The more you bring out your potential, the more income you can earn. And it also comes under passive income category. What is passive income? Passive income is the much needed source of income each and every single person is looking for. Learning about passive income, I would like to share a few leaders' ideas about this passive income. World's leading author Robert Kiyosaki has said, the moment you make passive income your source of income, your life will start to change. And the famous author Harvika says, the only moment when we can become financially free is when our passive income exceeds our expenses. And the great Warren Buffett says, there should always be an additional source of income in our life. So this teaches us that whatever job we are employed in, there should be an additional source of passive income in our life, even though we are employed in a job. So the right solution for our family's secured future is passive income opportunity. So now there may be a question, why learn from NextGen? What is so special in our organization? Well, I would like to share a few details about it. I started this career in the field of direct marketing when I was 19 years old, and I have trained nearly 500 plus entrepreneurs in this field. I have been recognized as an entrepreneurship coach, and I am skilled in taking up trainings in English, Tamil, Malayalam and Hindi. And I have also spoken in national general assemblies of private non-governmental organizations. And I have also achieved national level public speaking winner held at Nagpur by the organization called as JCI. And I have also been elected to represent India in the field of public speaking in Asian Pacific Conference. I have also served as a president of an organization called as JCI Coimbatore Metropolis in the year 2020. Now, back to the question. After knowing about the importance and need of the secondary source of income, why learn from us? We have invested 7 lakhs until September 2020 in learning 19 different courses to enrich our knowledge so that we could share this opportunity to each and every single person. Now, after investing in ourselves and learning, we have developed a vision for ourselves. Our vision by the year 2021 is to create more than 1 lakh entrepreneurs, teach the entrepreneurship skills, and to make them attain a state of economic independence. There are 2 great quotes that I admire most. The first one is, if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. So it is very important to keep in mind, the more we learn, the more we earn. And there is this second most admired quote, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. There may be varied source of investment platforms, but the very best platform to invest is yourself. Invest in yourself, invest in your knowledge, invest in learning. This has been our key formula, and that is the reason why we have invested around 7 lakhs for our learning. So I would like to share the subjects that we offer to you in the main course of NextGen Ultimate Digital Enrichment Program. We offer you NextGen Effective Public Speaking Mastery course, in which you will be learning about the fear of public speaking and how to overcome it, about the power of imagination and the difference between what we speak and how we speak, and about the importance of voice and its modulations, and how to improvise our body language, and how to create a positive impression among the audience, and what is the posture that has to be maintained while we speak, and more importantly, the do not do's that has to be followed while performing a presentation, and how to know our audience and how to attract them easily, and the importance about the content, and a simple speech creation formula with which easily you could create an impressive speech by the content that you have in your mind. The 3 P's of public speaking, and the importance of learning, and how to handle negative audience, and the value that has to be inbuilt in the presentation that you provide. These are the contents that are added in the chapter 1, Effective Public Speaking Mastery. Moving to the next chapter, it is Business Superman course, in which we learn about the importance of dream and setting up a goal, and we'll also support you to create a proper goal, and you will also learn about the importance of mindset and the power of consistency, and the importance of knowledge that we should learn, the positivity that we should create around us, the planning part that which is very important, the action that has to be taken, how to handle failure, and the leadership qualities that we have to learn to grow in a business platform, and the upgradation values that we have to follow. And in the next chapter, we are going to learn about the growing direct marketing field. This course is called as Direct Marketing Professional Course, in which we'll be learning about the importance of passive income and the methods to earn it, and the right field to grow in the right time, and the right company that has been growing in this field, and the success process steps with which we could easily attain a state of economic independence in the field of direct marketing just by following these steps. Moving on to the next chapter, we are going to learn about the growing digital currency platform and an easy income opportunity with it. In this course, we will be learning about the blockchain technology and the evolution of currencies and the growing digital currency and the market potential in our country, India. And we'll also refer a right company for our success and the success process steps that has been designed for our easy success. Moving on to the Next Gen Partnership Program, wherein for the first time, we offer a partnership program to join hands with our organization and start your earning opportunity. After learning this Next Gen Partnership Program, if implemented, you could easily earn rupees 20,000 to 50,000 in the next 30 days. On total, our Next Gen Ultimate Digital Enrichment course features Effective Public Speaking Mastery course, which was sold for 2,100 rupees. Business Superman course, which was sold for 1,600 rupees. Direct Marketing Professional course, which was sold for 1,200 rupees. Digital Currency Platform, which was sold for 1,100 rupees. Next Gen Partnership Program, which has a worth of 1,000 rupees. 100 plus entrepreneurship ebook summaries, which has a worth around 2,000 rupees. 100 training game guides, which will be useful for speakers and trainers, which has a worth of around 1,000 rupees. 40 plus training icebreaker sessions, which will be useful for trainers and speakers, which has a worth around 500 rupees. On total, we usually sell this course for 10,500 rupees. But you know, this 2020 did not go easy on us. And so, I thought about gifting this valuable course to each and every single person looking for an opportunity in his life to grow and to succeed. We have planned something crazy, something that has never been done before. We have planned to give this course for a 95% discount. So this 10,500 rupees course only costs you 525 rupees now. This is only for a limited time offer, because this is a crazy offer that we have never ever done before. So this is a special offer that you will be seeing only for a limited time. And you know, there is also some awesome additional benefits with this. You will be able to access a private Facebook group called as Next Gen Education, where you will be able to share your own business. You will be provided with a WhatsApp support system wherein you will be guided step by step, and all your doubts and clarifications will be easily clarified. And there will also be a 1 hour weekly live webinar wherein we will be able to connect and learn about the next process steps in our organization. And there is also a lucky draw conducted during the 1 hour live webinar every week, where the winners from the lucky draw will be awarded. Therefore, by using this course, by connecting with NextGen, you will be able to grow your knowledge, you will be able to grow your contacts, you will be able to grow your own business, you will be able to grow your financial status, and together, let's grow an enriching community. So use this special 2020 year offer with a 95% discount that has never been done before. Get your course for rupees 525 rupees by clicking the Get It Now button present below the video. By clicking the Get It Now button, you will be redirected to the page where you will be able to purchase this course. Once you have purchased, our team will guide you step by step. May your life's transformation begin here. Take the right decision, enjoy education.